Alright guys, got most of the interior put back together. I went to go do the seats so I can finish out this video, and no dice. So, seat bracket, remember me saying, was sitting on the floor. I added an inch, raised it, went to go do the sliders, attach everything to install the seat, close out this video. And somebody said, hey, I think you got these upside down. And I did. I went and bought grade 8 bolts to put them in. And now I see why they sent Allen bolts with the sliders for the seats. All right, so I got to go get Allen bolts tomorrow. Number 2, my seat was on the floor. Not the floor, but the floor. I was looking at the top of the steering wheel. Still too low. We figured it out. And that's what we came up with. Okay. Passenger seat is sitting nice at the right height. Okay. But I had to tear apart some stuff just to get the driver's seat to sit where I needed to sit. All right. With that being said, I'm gonna give you guys a little preview of the inside. Show you I'm not BSing. Is the interior right now. All right, and you guys can see it is not pink. The color is not pink. All right, have to get a new aftermarket stereo put in here. That piece is sitting out there somewhere. Still got to finish the gauge cluster, and until the mirrors are painted, can't put on the door panels. So that's where. Anyway, hey, appreciate you guys. I need it to be, than I want it to be, but trying to show you guys the process. I usually don't drop a video on Saturdays because I've been doing them at lunch every day for you guys. But on Saturday, you will get a video, which will be the completion of the seat install. All right, that's all I can say. Things happen. It's life. That's it. So appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and tap that bell so you get all notifications. Please leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you guys want to see. Okay? Let me know if you like what I'm doing. And please share the videos. Don't forget, channel merch. You can get a shirt shipped to you for $15. Okay? $15. Help support the channel. All right? Thank you guys.